Okay, so now that we've done all of the basic features, we're going to go through step by step down this entire menu line, and we're going to optimize every single portion of the website until we finally get into the theme and how you'll go about editing that portion of the website as well. We're mainly just doing the back end, and then we'll worry about the front end after all the back is set up properly. So you can ignore Jetpack, and we'll move right into posts. Posts are actually how you create different articles for your blog. See, when you assign some article, etc., we're going to be putting that inside of your blog section. So all blogs, etc., any videos, information that you want to share like that goes inside the post section. You're just going to click on this, usually add new, and you're going to come up on a section like this. You're going to want to trash your initial first post and then open up a new page. So that way we can just real quickly see how we would go about optimizing these different sections. So here we are inside the new post. And one of the first things that I like to do personally is go into screen options. And I like to turn off a few different things. One is sharing, and the other is the tracking code. Those are things that you aren't going to need in a post by post manner. Now, when it comes to the post, the title will go here. The description will go here. What you want to do is copy the title and say our focus keyword, a keyword being something that someone would type into a search engine, Google, Yahoo, or Bing, in order to find your website. What do you talk about inside this post that's important? Well, for me, I'm talking about titles. So title is important. And obviously my keyword title should be contained inside the actual header or title of my document, including inside the body of the article. So I'm going to put title, maybe a little bar there, and then I'm going to put this page talks all about titles. As you can see, that's a full green status, and that's what we want to get to. We don't want it to go into the orange when possible. We want to put it in the green. That means we're taking advantage of everything that we have for that SEO title. The same goes for your meta description as well. And I'll put in title inside of here as well. And one more. So there we go. Now, if we were to go through, as you'll see, social or Snap will post to all of your social networks. We'll get to that in a moment, but you want to enter in the other keyword here, title. What is the category that you're adding? Well, for me, I would say this is a general blog post, so general. From there, once it adds it, you can put in any other keywords. And then we can go to publish. Now you're going to see over there that the SEO and the readability, the SEO is okay, the readability needs to improve. What that basically means is that your article or page will not get a green go ahead okay for your SEO unless you have at least 350 words. Now, when you go to this post, after you've saved it, input the keyword that you want, you can actually go inside this and just look at all the details for the keyword that'll help increase. As you can see right here, there's different analysis. Only contains one word. We're obviously going to need a minimum of 300. I suggest 350. Doesn't appear in the first paragraph of the copy. That's an issue. There's no images. There's no links to other pages. So you want to interlink in between different pages, usually one link to another page. My favorite link is to link to my squeeze page where I build that through ClickFunnels, as we'll go through. And again, no outbound links. So you want an internal link and an outbound link. Usually your squeeze page is your outbound and your internal is another post that talks about this idea. So once you have that, You can increase your SEO all the way up to green. Readability all depends on the Flesch score and what type of reading equivalency you have written in. It's a little difficult to get that to go up and, go green. Often simple sentences are best. Don't do conjugations and, but, or, don't do commas, don't do things like that. You want to keep it, again, very simple to read if that's your go ahead. But write for conversions first, not for the readability, and then go through and then include any keywords to bring up that SEO inside each and every page. And that's how you create an article or blog post for your website.